Creating sales and promotions. You can create sales or promotion deals directly from Symphony using the Quick Add Edit feature. First, press the Command button, then find the Quick Add Edit button. Next, scan the item you want to create a promotion for. In this example, we will be using tomato sauce. After the item is scanned, select Sale Price to enable the sale settings. Then set the price parameters. Use Match for mix and match pricing. In this example, buying 2 jars of tomato sauce would charge the sale price of $5. To do this, set quantity to 2 and price to 5. Alternatively, you can use each if you want to apply the sale price to the item, regardless of quantity. In this example, every jar of tomato sauce will now be $2.50 with the sale price applied. You have the option to check Date Apply to set a time range for the promotion. Enter the promotion's start and end date and time below. Finally, press Save at the bottom right and select Apply to all items in Match, if applicable. To test the promotion, scan the item multiple times. The system will calculate the discount automatically. If sale items are removed from the cart, the previously applied discount will remain. To remove the discount, void the entire transaction by pressing the Void button, then start a new cart.